Okay. Okay, hi. Okay. Split view this. Right. Any manager not count, but yeah. Why is it not just enemies at size? Huh. I have one question. Get count. Check enemy collision. Not with this, but how would it do it here? Or this, how do I update this code? I had the C before and then switch to C++ ref class and function. Okay, let's see. Quick. There are no linter arrows. What the fuck? Why does it say linter arrows? It's not. It's blah, 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 blah. Or what? Let me check something. I hate that. No, it's 0.7. Huh. Weird. Right, get enemy. Right. So, yeah. Like this, yeah. That and enemy underscore I and enemy underscore J, right? Okay. Okay. The enemy manager dot check player collision. No. That's not needed, is it? Enemy manager dot update enemy manager dot get count. Okay, okay, it is needed. Enemy manager dot check collision. Enemy manager get enemy eye. Then player location and then that is fine. Let's see, make. No rule to make target min. Make lean. Make. It's gonna take a moment. Yeah, because now main.o will be deleted, right? Yes. Okay, deleted. Make. Oh, undefined. Right, right. That was still. I don't know what this does. Yeah, this one deletes or frees the memory again, but I actually don't know what it does. Running up to the comparison to use. Wait. Wait. Running comparison of integer expression of different signedness. Oh, okay. What does the aesthetic call? Okay, it casts this as unsigned integer 60. Yeah, 64-bit unsigned integer. Yeah. Okay. For the error remove, since it's not needed. Oh. How will the memory be freed, deleted automatically when the game ends? That function was there before, so to free the memory used by the enemy manager when it was still a sleeper. Dynamic memory allocated with new should be deallocated with delete, and for arrays allocated with new should delete when you have class that allocates dynamic memory. This could work in your enemy manager you're using as TD vector to store pointer enemies. This sort of iterates over the vector and deletes each enemy object. This destructor ensures that when an instance of enemy manager goes out of scope or it explicitly deleted, all any object managers are also deleted and the memory is freed. When the game ends, when the main function exits, all objects are destroyed. and the destructors are called. This means that the enemy manager object will be destroyed and its destructor will be called, which will in turn delete all the enemy objects and contents. Therefore, you do not need to separate functions like free manager or to free the memory. The destructor of enemy manager takes care of that. This is one of the advantages of using C++ and RAII, resource acquisition, is initialization principles. Resource management is tied to object lifetime. In summary, the memory manager used by enemy manager and the enemy objects it manages will be automatically freed when the game ends, assuming that the enemy manager is local object in main or is otherwise properly managed. Okay. No. That means I should also put the draw code where it like draws the enemies. Where is it? Where's that code? The attack. Yeah, here. No, draws, right. This stuff here, yeah. So this stuff I should also put into now a function, or try to put in a function and hope that it works this time, because then I won't have to initialize the sprite sheets here, because currently I'm initializing the the enemy sprite sheet before the main loop, but I would want to initialize it in the main loop, so that in the main loop I can also de-initialize it to free up the memory that it is using, so when like these enemies don't spawn anymore but other enemies then spawn. Okay, good to know. That is if I want to include other enemies. Okay, Citra. Citra wants to update. It's like every day there's a Citra update. The music stopped. The fuck? Bricky is streaming and has a stream called My Brick Must Be Controlled. What the fuck? Put it over here. Let's try and start it. Okay, taking damage works again. Health works. Working around works. Yes, CPU usage is a little higher. Ooh, that's not right. And the collision code with the attack still does not work. Okay, why is this hair already dry but down here it's like brutal. I showered earlier and my hair is still kinda wet. To be expected, it's no, let's not exit. Let's do this. Let me resize the window. And just gonna put it here. That works. smaller actually. Yeah. Yeah, and I'm not gonna use a triangle. I'm gonna use circles for the hitbox. C to D, draw, circle solid. I would think I would ideally want 3 circles. Just this code and then instead of having a triangle, I want to draw 3 circles that fill the triangle with the most area. Let's see. The most area we want to place each second triangle and just a radius so that got it. No. Do I want to do it like that? The thing is now I don't need to do all these calculations if I do it like that. That's the thing. I don't know the size of it. And it's let's do it like that. Okay, yeah, and I'm 70, so 35. Yeah. Control O instead of Control U. This is a little too big. So I gotta I have the 3 circles based on the size of the triangle, though it's a little big. I want to move the actually easy to do. I think I gotta do is P1x and P2y. P1x, let's say minus 35, and P2y minus 35. Let's see. I'm prepared for it to just go wrong. It's too big. Plus. Sons. Let's do 40. 20. Okay, kinda works. Now I just kinda need to, do I? No, good enough. Good enough. Huh. I still kind of use that stuff. I could probably make it easier than what it is right now, though. I don't wanna. Let's check enemy collision. Why is this so weirdly colored? Okay, that's right. Check there. No? I want to check if the tail attack collides with the enemies so that I have 3 circles. 3 circles. Let's rotated B1 X. B1 Y, etc. B2, B2 Y, B3 X, B4 Y. With radius 20. Right, right, I was using point and triangle, which doesn't really work. Oh wait, now at the beginning here, I don't have these errors anymore that those things need to be constant. I could think of it myself, but I don't know right now. Okay, I'm just gonna do it myself. Oh wow, it understood this part. Crazy. I'm gonna put it in here and make it just put it the other way around. That I don't need to do, because that's already there. There we go. I don't expected a statement. Ah. For int not a loop. Static circles j green position. that it also knows. Oh, I need to do screen position. It's a clever answer. It knows what it's doing. That's good. Yeah. Man, it's one. Okay. Right. There we go. With the health, reaches 0, I want to delete the enemy. An enemy and need to remove it from the enemy's vector and then launcher. Iterating for the director, checking if enemy stuff, then reaching. That is your helpful. Would it be possible to just lead the specific enemy here if the health is 0? Oh, it's still writing. Make sure to deallocate the memory of the enemy by removing it. Yeah. Yes, you can delete a specific enemy if the order within the loop that checks the condition. You can modify the loop to erase the enemy with the vector. The vector. So you can do that. Blah blah blah. Delete enemy. Yeah. What? Anyway, remove enemy. Let's add that to. There. Memory remove from vector. Yes. Why do I need the else statements with not necessary, so not incrementing license. I'm confused. Yes, we don't need the else statements. Still writes the else statements. I don't know. Because I only gave it one code snippet, so it doesn't understand that it's kinda already iterating here and that the null thing is already done here. Yeah, whatever. It should work. Okay, what the fuck? Some enemies and new enemies spawn. Their speed is much higher. Oh, wait. Let me do it without that weird code context of the collision, then it should just go over the code, right? Let's go. Here we have normal moving enemies, normal speed. And then suddenly they become way more speedy. It crashed. Yep. I have a memory leak. Log. I seem to have quite the big memory leak. Because it crashes really quickly. Delete enemy and then get enemy I, which is enemy here. The J is just used to cycle through this. And the thing is, it's getting deleted from the screen, so I would say it is getting deleted. A problem for tomorrow. I'm gonna end the stream for now, because I still gotta make food, I gotta work later. Okay, see you maybe tomorrow at likely earlier time. Okay, bye.